Hi, it's Aqua WTI, and I love this Teavana Spiced Apple Cider tea. It is basically fall in a cup. If you like cinnamon and apple and clover as much as I do, you're gonna love it. I love even opening it. The smell is so good. Like, I would just smell this all day. It's delicious. This tea comes with 12 sachets of tea. I love that you can see the ingredients inside the bags. You're getting quality ingredients. This is a blend of herbal ingredients, so apple, cinnamon, clove, rooibos, all are caffeine free, so you can drink this tea any time of the day. It's suggested to steep this tea about for 5 minutes. I love the taste of this. It's not overpowering, but still very, very flavorful. Is there anything better than a warm cup of tea just to warm you up on a cold, cold day? I don't think so. I think this is a perfect fall time drink. I love that it's caffeine free, and I hope you enjoy it as much as I have, and that's my point of view.